definite integration. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 2B, Part 4. Part 3 completed some important 2 marks problems in IP examination in the chapter definite integration. Today class also be explained that type of question, 2 marks questions, important problems by using IP examination. What is that? This problem, 9th problem, first Roman number 1. Integral 0 to pi by 4 secant power 4 theta d theta. Secant power 4 theta d theta. This is a problem. In this problem, you can write secant power 4. Secant power 4 nothing but secant square theta into secant square theta. Correct or not, students? Secant square into secant square, secant power 4. After that, integral 0 to pi by 4, secant power 4 can be written as 1 plus tan square theta by using second identity of the trigonometry. What is the second identity? Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Then secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. That's why by using second identity of the trigonometry you can write here. After that, multiply these terms, you get what? Integral 0 to pi by 4 secant square theta into 1 secant square theta d theta plus integral 0 to pi by 4 tan square theta into secant square theta tan square theta into secant square theta into d theta. After that, you can write, suppose this is f of x value is tan theta, suppose f of x value is tan x, then f dash x value is what here? Secant square x. Correct or not, students? F of x is tan x, then derivative of tan x is secant square x. That's why this is f of x, this one is f dash x. Here this is in the form of f of x all power n form is there, f of x all power n into f dash x. What is the formula of f of x all power n into f dash x? Formula is f of x all power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This one is the formula. In this formula, you can write integral 0 to pi by 4 secant square theta d theta plus, this is in the form of integral f of x whole power n into f dash x. What is that formula? See, students, f of x whole power n, f of x nothing but tan theta whole power n plus 1 nothing but 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 limit c 0 to pi by 4. Correct or not, students? This is f of x, this is f dash x. Here f of x whole power n is there. You can use this formula. Here secant square x already is there. Secant square x integration is tan theta, limit c 0 to pi by 4 plus tan theta, tan cube theta by 3 0 to pi by 4 is limits tan cube theta by 3. You can write here limit, upper limit tan pi by 4 minus tan 0 is the lower limit. Here upper limit is tan cube pi by 4 by 3 minus tan cube 0 by 3. Here this one is the limits. Upper limit is pi by 4, you can write pi by 4 minus lower limit is 0 plus upper limit theta value is pi by 4, after that lower limit is 0. Here tan pi by 4 nothing but tan 45. Tan 45 how much? 1 minus tan 0 value 0 plus tan pi by 4 nothing but 1 cube by 3 minus tan 0 value 0 cube by 3. After that 1 plus 1 by 3 minus 0 by something value is 0. 1 plus 1 by 3 you have to take LCM. 3 is LCM. You get 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 value is how much here? 3 plus 1 value is 4. You get 4 by 3. This is the value of integral 0 to pi by 4 secant power 4 theta d theta value is 4 by 3. Next problem is integral 1 to 5 1 by square root of 2x minus 1 whole dx. This is the next problem. In this problem, suppose you have to take this one is f of x. Put f of x is equal to 2x minus 1. Okay, students, what is the derivative of f dash x? Then f dash x, derivative of f of x is f dash x 2 common, x derivative is 1 minus 1 derivative is 0, you get f dash x derivative is 2. Correct or not, students? Suppose you have to take this is 2x minus 1 is f of x. Derivative of this one is f dash x is 2. That's why here in this function, multiplying and dividing with 2. Here 2 multiplied, here 2 divided. Okay, suppose this is f of x, this one is f dash x. This is in the form of integral f dash x by square root of f of x. Correct or not, students? Integral f dash x by square root of f of x form is there. What is the formula of this one? Is equal to 2 root f of x plus c. What is the formula? 2 root f of x plus c. This form, this function in the form of integral f dash x by square root of x into dx is equal to 2 root f of x plus c. You can write this formula. Here 1 by 2 is common. 2 into square root of f of x nothing but 2x minus 1. Limits is 1 to 5. Limits is what here? 1 to 5. Here you can common 2. You get what? 2 into 1 by 2. Nothing but 2 by 2. Square root of 2x minus 1. Limits is 1 to 5. 2 ones are get cancelled. You get here 1. Here apply first upper limit. Upper limit is what here? 5. You can write here 5. Minus lower limit is what here? 1. After that square root of 2 into 5 minus 1 minus square root of 2 into 1 minus 1. Here upper limit is 5. Lower limit is 1. You can subtract it these two. This upper limit lower limit expansion also be explained introduction of the definite integration. See that video. After the square root of 10 minus 1, square root of 2 minus 1, square root of 10 minus 1 value is 9, minus square root of 2 minus 1 value is 1, square root of 9 value is 3, square root of 1 value is 1, you get 3 minus 1 value is 2. This is the value of integral 1 to 5. 1 by square root of 2x minus 1 dx value is 2. Next problem is integral 0 to 1 x square by x square plus 1 whole dx. This one is a problem. In this problem you can use some important topic, that is here both numerator and denominator having same degree. That's why you can add denominator plus 1 is there, you can add plus 1 and subtracted 1. Okay students, this is a very important concept. Integral 0 to 1 x square plus 1 minus 1 whole by x square plus 1 whole dx. Here numerator and denominator having same degree. In this case here denominator plus 1 is there, you can add 1 and subtracted 1, minus 2 is there, you can add 2 and subtracted 2. This way. After that here x square plus 1 is a one term, minus 1 is another term. Integral 0 to 1 x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 minus 1 by x square plus 1 whole dx. This is a separated of numerator. Here x square plus 1 is a one term, x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 is a one term. This is a first term. 1 by x square plus 1 is a second term. After that integration also be separated. Integral 0 to 1 x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx minus integral 0 to 1 by x square plus 1 whole dx. You can write separate integration these two terms. After that x square plus 1 get cancelled. You get integral 0 to 1 dx minus integral 0 to 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Here you know that 1 dx integration is x limits is 0 to 1 minus integral 1 by x square plus 1 or integral 1 by 1 plus x square integration also be there. What is that integration? Tan inverse x. These are formulas are explained in integration topic. Okay students, after that you get apply limit 1 minus 0. Here 1 is the upper limit, 0 is the lower limit. Minus tan inverse of x value is 1 minus tan inverse of x value is 0. Here upper limit is 1, lower limit is 0. After that 1 minus 0 value is 1 minus of tan inverse 1 value is tan pi by 4. Correct or not students? Tan pi by 4 nothing but tan 45 value is 1. That's why this 1 in place of 1 you can write tan pi by 4. Minus into minus plus tan inverse of tan 0 value also be 0. Tan 0 value is 0. Tan inverse get cancel. Tan inverse get cancel. You get what? 1 minus pi by 4 plus 0. 1 minus pi by 4 plus 0 value is what here? 1 minus pi by 4. This is the value of integral 0 to 1 x square by x square plus 1 whole dx value is 1 minus pi by 4. This is very important 2 marks problem. Next, today assignment or homework problems. These are homework problem. This is also be homework problem. These two homework problem I give some hint. By using this hint, do that this problem previous problem model. First problem hint. Square root of a plus square root of x whole square. Here you can use a plus b whole square formula. A square plus b square plus 2ab. After that separated integration each term. This is the hint of first problem. Second problem integral 0 to 4 modulus of 2 minus x dx. Already this model problem completed previous problems. Here this modulus of 2 minus x you can write two values. One is positive 2 minus x, another one is negative of 2 minus x. Positive 2 minus x. Positive 2 minus x having x value more than 2. Suppose this 0 to 4 interval divides two equal parts. In this interval 0 to 2 nothing but 1, 2. Here we can write 2 minus 1. 2 minus 0, 2. Here less than 2 are always positive values. Greater than 2 opposite, always negative value. That's why this condition you can use. After that this integration you can write integral 0 to 2 modulus of 2 minus x dx, integral 2 to 4 modulus of 2 minus x dx. Here integral 0 to 2 this value having positive by using this condition. Integral 2 to 4 this value is negative by using this condition. After that separated integration and do that previous problem model. Okay students, this is also be very important problem in IP examination.